Good morning, Vapers. It's the Herb Vaper here again. We've got another fresh unboxing for you today. This turn is the Boundless Vexil, which is sort of hot off the press again. It's been out a couple of months, but it's new for 2021. As I say, I did slow down my unboxing review videos because just cost really. I've sort of slowed down a bit and took a step back, and I can't afford to be buying new vapes all the time. I do purchase the majority of my own vapes. This one was kindly sent to me by Boundless themselves in exchange for opinion, review, again content. I always do the unboxings for Boundless. I really like the things that they come with, the packages that they've got. I like to show that they come from the factory wrapped as well, sealed, so you know what you're getting if you buy the Boundless vapes. So you know you're getting a sealed product, an actual product. Sorry, swig of tea there. So maybe without further ado, because I have been waiting to get to this vape for a good couple of weeks now, I'll just get in. I'm just gonna sort of tear this cellophane wrapping. I have seen a few bits about the Vexil. It's got a really quick heat up time. It is USB-C again. A lot of vaporizers are now coming on board to the USB-C. It's a little bit more reliable, and then again it's more universal now. If everybody's on it, everybody's going to have that sort of same cable. You're not going to be going out to your mates and going, oh shite, I can't charge my vape. It's like, mate, can I borrow your phone charger? Yours the same as that one? Yep, fine. So there's less problems, less messing about. It's not a replaceable battery version. It's a self-contained unit with the battery in, and the unit itself, I've got to say, looks very, very nice and sleek. It's really nice and palm size, sort of, it's very discreet in the palm. I love the display. I love the little charging port on the bottom, and it stands up on its own. That's something you don't get with the Mighty. They said they'd redesigned it for it to be more stable. I don't know what that is, because it's a little bit, you've got to put the little steering tool in the bottom to make it stand up. This one stands up on its own, just about. Probably stands on its side, and no, but it's nice anyway. It's a really nice looking vape, and I can't wait to get into that and get into the workings of it. Now, the chamber is a ceramic sort of chamber, similar to a few different other Boundless vapes that I've seen. It does look quite deep, so it'll hold quite a bit of herb. This mouthpiece is nice, magnetic, just clips on, gives you no sort of second guessing with that at all. And look, it's going straight on pretty much every time. So yeah, that's really nice. I like that. One of the other nice features that I really like about this Vexil that I've seen is sort of in here underneath, and I've just lost it. Now, this is ceramic zirconia. It's a really nice sort of heat property ceramic, and a lot of the other vape manufacturers are using it. The X-Max Starry uses that as a cooling mouthpiece, and the Da Vinci IQ and IQ2 use it as their cooling chamber, the little thing that you put the herbs in. So this is like a spiral to cool it, a cooling path, and then this is another sort of baffle which will again add to the heat absorbing properties. So that I'm looking forward to trying and seeing what it performs like with the herbs in and the Vexil and the heating. I dare say it should be all right, and the other thing is, if the Boundless guys have put the names to it, it's probably going to be all right. They've been around for a good few years, of the Boundless people, and it's nice to see that they're still around, and it's nice to see that they're still releasing current vaporizers. The Terra, just quickly, One of my favourite vapes from back in the day, replaceable batteries. I mainly just use it with bongs now when I would just want to get really heavily medicated. But yeah, that is a real powerhouse for clouds and things like that. So they went through a few iterations of that with the redesign and just making it a lot more nicer for the people that are using it. So on the front of the box, it's giving you your little quick start guide, which tells you your temperatures, how to use it and things like that. And then inside this little box will be the other accessories. Usually get like a little cleaning brush from Boundless, and then this is a USB-C cable. Ooh, that's a nice little cleaning brush. It's smaller than the previous ones, which is going to be great for that really fine zirconia, that cooling path. That's going to be great for that, because you'll be able to get in the nooks and crannies of that. A few spare screens, which is really good, always comes in handy. As I say, USB-C cable, which is nice. It's sort of, I do like the fact that this is quite thin and flexible and not massive and chunky like most of the other ones that you get. This is, you know, you could easily put that in your pocket or your vape pouch or whatever, and it'll be portable. Put it with a power bank, and that could charge a lot of new vapes on the market, can that? So that's great. Pretty much that's everything. Vexil is also available in teal. I really like the teal colour, but I think black is more popular, more discreet again. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to power it off. As always, I fully charge my vaporizers. That'll be done off screen, and then maybe might do a review video. You'll have to have a look around for that, because I haven't been putting review videos that use the product onto YouTube. I'll figure it out and you'll figure it out. But thank you for joining me for this unboxing. This is a really nice product, and I really can't wait to get into this. It feels nice as well, nice and heavy duty. So Boundless Vexil, 30-second heating time, ceramic chamber, ceramic zirconia, cooling path, 4 temperature settings. That's all you need to know, really. Thank you. This is a herb vapor. Hope to see you soon.